And moving on to some breaking news coming in from Raebareli, where AAP MLA Somnath Bharti was attacked with ink during his inspection of government school. Somnath Bharti was involved in a heated argument with police officials after the alleged ink attack. After the incident, Somnath Bharti was detained at his guest house, and an FIR has also been registered against Somnath Bharti in Amethi for his alleged statement on the condition of hospitals in Uttar Pradesh. First up, let's listen into that sequence of Somnath Bharti, who got into a very heated argument with a police officer in Raebareli.
आज सवेरे जब मैं अपने कमरे से निकला हूं, जब सदर में आयोजित कार्यक्रम में सम्मिलित होने जा रहा हूं, तो यहां के पुलिस अतुल जी, जो यहां के थानेदार हैं, उनके नेतृत्व में भारी पुलिस बल के साथ मुझे रोकने का प्रयत्न किया गया। साथ में एक गुंडा को लाया गया। एक गुंडा जो भाजपा का गुंडा है, उसको पुलिस संरक्षण दे रही है, और उस गुंडे को आगे करके पुलिस ने मेरे ऊपर काली स्याही फिकवाई।
Just letting our viewers know that this was a reaction of AAP MLA Somnath Bharti after the ink attack that took place in Raebareli. We will get this entire sequence of the heated argument that took place between the police official and Somnath Bharti as well. But going across to Samarth, who's joining us live and who's been reporting on this story. Samarth, what are the details that you're gathering? We know that there was a very heated altercation. Where is Somnath Bharti right now, and what is the action that has been taken against the AAP MLA as well as the person who attacked the AAP MLA with ink?
Well, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Somnath Bharti has been arrested by UP police and has been taken to some place after the incident took place, as he made some derogatory remarks against the UP CM Yogi Adityanath about the conditions of hospitals in Uttar Pradesh, and he also had a heated argument with the UP police, as you can see in the visuals, that he's even trying to say that he will take off that khaki vardi from that police corps. So these were some major things happening. So that's why an FIR was registered against that particular MLA, and now he has been arrested. And about the one who threw ink on that particular MLA, he has also been arrested, and police is investigating whether he was from Hindu Yuva Vahini, BJP worker, or anybody else. But police is yet to make any remark on this particular thing. But what is clear is that Somnath Bharti has been arrested for making derogatory remarks against UP CM Yogi Adityanath and also defaming the conditions of UP hospitals. He made some comments which are not even cannot be said on television. So these were the things, and as you can see in the video, he also abused the policeman on duty. So these things happened, after which FIR was registered, and now he has been taken back. Yes.
Yes, and Samarth, in fact, with the translation that we have and the details that we have of the video, immediately after the attack, we know that Somnath Bharti abused a police official, and he also wished upon the death of the chief minister. Is that correct?
Yes, absolutely. These were the remarks made by him, as he not only insulted the UP CM but also insulted the police of Uttar Pradesh. And not only that, the story doesn't end here. He was on a 3 to 4 day visit, as seeing the Panchayat Chunav happening in UP. So the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to make its position strong in Uttar Pradesh, and for that Somnath Bharti came here in Raebareli, Amethi and Prayagraj. So during his visit to Prayagraj, he went to the hospitals of Prayagraj, where he saw puppies and dogs lying over there, and with no much patients in the hospital. So thereafter he made some controversial remarks, derogatory remarks against the hospitals of Uttar Pradesh. And as in the visuals, you can see he's obviously making the bad remarks, the derogatory remarks against the UP CM and the cop present in the spot itself. Yes.
Yes. Thank you very much, Samarth, for joining us with these details.